Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. It should be on the left position. Let's tap on it, and if it will be highlighted in this bluish color, and if you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure we are on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar here, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So after tapping on it we can set 8K. After tapping on it again we can set 4K, and again the FHD. So we've got three different options. I'm wondering if we can open it. Yes, as you can see, we can just drag this panel down, and here we've got the resolution. We've got 8K, 4K or FHD. What's more, which is connected with the resolution, are the aspect ratio and the frame rate. So the aspect ratio, we've got 9:16, and the full screen option, or frame rate 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. Sometimes you will not be able to set, for example, 60 frames per second, because if I will pick 8K, oh, as you can see, we can pick. No, we cannot, because if we've got the 8K here and I'm tapping on 60 frames per second, it will automatically be changed to the 4K. So I highly recommend to just have fun with this option. It's quite easy, as you can see. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use here, or if you've got this option right here, just tap on it and the resolution will be changed. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.